Hi everyone and welcome to the series of Revit 2027 update by Katzen Technologies. This series is designed specially for architects, engineers and BIM professionals. In this video of this series, let's see what are the topics that we are going to cover. So in this video we are going to cover about the latest update on stairs. Now let's go to the topics that we are going to cover on the update on stairs in Revit 2027. The first update, or the enhancement in state, comes with the relocation of the Stair Tools from the options bar to ribbon. The next is another update, or you can say this is a new option that has been given in Revit 27 where you can tag the stair or stair thread or rise in numbers in the model by using the tag or not tag tool, the tag. And the third is basically how we can edit the stair or tread thread or rise in numbers within the model. Now let's go to Revit and see these updates in our project. So first let's see how the tools in the Stair Tools are relocated from the options bar to the ribbon. Now let's go with the State tool. Go to the Architecture tab and choose the State tool from the Circulation panel. Now you can see there is a minor change, or we can see there is a change over here. So this change can be seen when we invoke the sketching tools. For example, if we are going with the run over here, and let's say if I use this straight tool here within the Components panel. So here we can see that some of the tools, now there is no options bar here, and here we can see that within this particular drop-down here, there is a Create Stairs panel, which has been created in this available in this ribbon. And then you have the Location line drop-down here, which has been moved from the options bar. You have the Offset options, which has been moved from the options bar, as well as the Actual Run Width, which has been moved from the options bar. Similarly, you have the Automatic Landing, which has been moved from the options bar. Now let's go with the yeah. So these are certain things, certain tools which has been moved. And let's go with the Circular Full Steps Track Spiral. And let's check you have the same thing, so you see the same observation of the tools that has been moved from the options bar to the ribbon over here. Now let's go with you can see that with the center and spirals. So here you can see there is one tool which has been added here. Apart from the Location line drop-down offset option, Actual Run Width, Automatic Landing, there is an option called Keep Concentric. So this has been added in Revit 2027. So this maintains consistent radial spacing of spiral treads from the center point in the spiral stairs. And similarly, if we go with the L-shaped winders, you can see that again there is something called the Mirror Preview which has been added, which basically reverses the position of the preview. So if you see as we click it over here, so you can see the preview here. So if you mirror the preview, you can see that the IT is reversed. So these are certain updates that has been there while creating the stairs. Now let's create a stair and look at another update of the stair numbering. Now it's very interesting because Autodesk have added these kind of updates in the stairs, and it makes sense that while you're working or while it enhances or it's speeding up the process within the one ribbon. Actually now you do not have to search in the options bar. So you can directly work in the ribbons and select the tools and go in one shot. So let's go with the stair numbering. Now this is very interesting. Now let's create a stairs over here and see how the stair numberings are also added as tag. So here I create a staircase. Probably you can see it in the symbol stairs. So once you create, you can see that you can basically tag these stairs now here. So there is a hidden line which is given above the cut line. And let's say you have the Tag tool from the Annotate tab. And here we go. And let's see the tag tool over here. So in the Annotate tag, there is a tag. This is the tag All Not Tag tool. So if you click here, you find that there is one category which has been added here in this dialog box. Now let's see what is this. So here you can see that under the category, there is a stair tread rising numberings. If you select it, you can see that all these stairs will be now numbered using the tags. And also interesting is if you want to control the visibility of the numbers above the cut line or below the cut line. So now within the Visibility Graphics dialog box. So if you look into the Visibility Graphics dialog box, there's an option here that you can use to control the visibility of the. So here in the Annotations category. So let's go and see the categories for the stair tags. So here in the S is the stair tag. Quickly, let's see that. So you have the stairs. Yeah, here we go. And there is a stair tag. So we can search it. We can type stairs number. So here we have stair or tread riser number. So there is two check boxes over here. So above stair tread riser numbers. If you click this checkbox, you would find that you know that stair numbers or tread numbers above the cut mark will not be displayed. So you can also use the below one to control the visibility of these numbers. So this is very interesting, and another very interesting option in this is basically now you can edit the type properties of the tags or the numbers over here. So if you select this number, you would find that. So let us select this number. So when you select this number, you see that there is a type which is shown over here, and you can basically change the tag type here, the display rule. So tag type is riser, so you can change it to thread, and then you have the display rules. Then you have to justify. So these are certain where you can modify the properties, the instance properties as well as the type properties, which was not possible in Revit 2026. That is the earlier version. So that's very interesting, and hopefully this update has been some usefulness to the people who have been struggling with the annotations and the tags with Revit 2026 or earlier version. Now Revit 2027 brings with more improved enhancements and update while you are working in Staircase. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel, like and share this video so more people can know about the latest updates at 2027. Thanks a lot for watching.